Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on a post on Nextdoor. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off comments for a certain post. You don't want any people commenting and you just want people to know the information. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Nextdoor. Then click on your profile picture on the top right hand corner. Next, click on My Profile, then go ahead and scroll down. And let's find the post which you want to go ahead and turn off comments for. So here we have a post from a couple years ago. We're going to click on these three dots and then click on Close Discussion. So that right there is going to go ahead and turn off comments for this post. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.